Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal a reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 8 till the 15th of December and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want to one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail us if you have any query, or you can book your slots directly from the links given below. Now let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Scorpio, at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Hierophant. So someone here is feeling like a spiritual kind of connection between you and them, and or they're feeling like you came into their life for a very big reason. Okay, let's clarify the Hierophant. We have the Ace of Cups, the Emperor, and the Nine of Wands. Yeah, they feel like there's a lot of love in the situation, right? At the same time, they feel like they have to take the charge of their life in their own hands, because at the end of the day they are the one who is getting hurt, right? And they feel like you came into their life for a very deep reason, a spiritual lesson, a spiritual reason for spiritual growth. Whatever it is, they feel like because of you they have learned a lot in their life, and they are kind of in this getting wounded and getting hurt again and again in the situation, but at the same time they feel very thankful to you for whatever lessons and blessings you taught them. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? We have the Three of Swords. You feel like you should just keep moving ahead and you should heal yourself properly from whatever setbacks and heartbreaks you have gone through because of this situation or maybe multiple situations. You definitely feel like healing yourself properly because it's still very hurtful and painful for you to deal with something or someone. Let's clarify the Three of Swords. What is wrong with this camera thing today? It's kind of pissing me off, right? Wow. Why? Is there any auto mode or something? I really don't have any idea, honey, what is happening. So please bear with me. Okay, let's clarify. We have the Page of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, right? See, you feel like keeping yourself at a safe distance from everything and everyone from your past, even if you are still connected to, you are still connected with somebody with all of your heart and soul that you had a history with, but you feel like keeping yourself at a distance because of whatever you have gone through. Hmm. And healing yourself properly before moving on to the next chapter of your life, right? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Two of Wands. Their intention is to just wait and watch. Right now they want to put the situation on hold deliberately so that they can understand what they truly want or don't want out of the situation. Okay, let's clarify the Two of Wands. We have the Moon card, the Temperance, and the Strength card. Yeah, they're too scared to do anything, to move even an inch in this direction. They want to be patient with the situation. They want to use their strength and the courage to not to do anything stupid in this direction because they're too scared to even move away from you or to come towards you. So that's why this person wants to wait for the right time, and they will be able to understand what they should do in order to get the peace out of the situation. Yeah, but they are thanking. See, if they are not thanking you, maybe they're not directly telling you this, but their higher self is kind of thanking you. You are the reason for their spiritual growth and or getting their lessons that they should be getting in order to have a powerful life in the coming future. So, wow. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Page of Wands. You just want to keep it light and casual as much as you can from your side, because whenever you go deeper or whenever you become something serious, you just don't get the right kind of vibes and energies. Let's clarify the Page of Wands. We have the Eight of Swords and King of Pentacles, the Two of Wands. Yeah, see, you are not even waiting for somebody to show up in your life. You just want to get out of this mental jail, this trap that you like find yourself again and again in. And then you want to wait for the right kind of energy when you will be able to have a mature and grounded kind of energy within yourself. You're not waiting for a person to show up. Maybe on a conscious human level you think that you're waiting for a person, but your soul is kind of craving for the time when you're going to be grounded and mature enough within yourself so that you can live your life to the fullest. This is what you want, to keep it casual, to keep it calm, to keep it going and flowing in a beautiful positive direction. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 15th of December, honey. Okay. Nine of Swords, some kind of sleepless nights and restlessness kind of energy. Nine of Swords, not being able to think positive in a direction. Let me clarify the Nine of Swords here. We have the Hermit, the Ace of Wands, the Queen of Swords. Yeah, you will be thinking a lot about having a brand new beginning in certain direction. At the same time, you're going to be too much in this energy of I don't want to. I'm too scared. So one of you is going to try to connect with the other person and make things go in a smoother way, in a more peaceful way, but the other person is not ready to even listen to the other person here, and it's going to create a lot of restlessness or anxiety kind of energy between you guys. But you can't do anything about a situation when the other energy is not ready or not ready yet or whatever. So whether it's you going towards somebody, whether it's somebody coming towards you, there's a certain kind of restlessness and anxiety kind of energy that you guys need to sort out within yourself first individually, and then maybe you guys can sort it out as a team. Guidance for you, Queen of Cups. Yes, it's like all about self-love, self-care and self-healing first. Be at peace with yourself first. Once you're going to find the peace within yourself, then you can connect with the other energy. If they are not on the same page as you are, try to understand that their journey is different and yours is different. Give them the time and the space to come to your page. Okay, then you guys can connect and work on this as a team. Till that time, work on yourself as a team only, like you and yourself is your team. Hmm? Wow, difficult. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.